Has it ever happened to you that when you come to a fishing spot that you love, well, especially if the last time that you were there was in the early spring, and you come back in about a month or a month and a half, and you can actually see that, well, the spot is full of weeds, and well, you'll not be able to fish over here anymore. And that's where this gadget comes in handy. Well, initially I've actually thought that it is like some kind of an anchor when I first saw it for a fishing boat, but that is not the case. Well, this gadget is actually required for taking out the weeds out of your fishing spot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna remove the line, and we will, well, not the line, I'll just take the rope, connect it to the tool, I'll just use the improved clinch knot just to make a knot like so. And well, let us just have a look how it will work. Well, especially for that, I've actually took the gloves just in case. And well, let us test it out, whether we will be able to remove the weeds out of the water. So just throw it into the water like so, and you just start pulling the weeds, as you can see. So yeah, in my opinion, pretty handy gadget. Allows you to clean your fishing spot, allows you to clean your pond, for example, if you've got one. And yeah, as you can see, it actually works, but you have to well, the knot that you'll do with the rope, just make sure that the knot is pretty strong, because you might actually lose this gadget. And it's raining right now. As you can see, it works pretty well. If you'd like to check the price, I'll put the link in the description. And well, if this video was useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also leave a comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.